Second spot for today is Caterpillar Visitor Center. It's huge, I would say. The charges are $7 for a general public, and there's a discount for Caterpillar employees. Somehow they didn't give us the discount because my wife works for the Accenture. So they said if you are a contract employee, you won't get a discount. And they still have a huge base in Peoria, but now they are moving some of their manufacturing has already moved to Austin, and some other would be moving in, yet they still have a huge base in Peoria. Behind me you can see all the great equipments, and I just came to know we just watched a movie in this particular hall, and this hall was the hub of this particular tractor which weighs 1.4 million tons. So this is not an auditorium, it has been fabricated, but in real life, this is actually the sitting space of a truck, the tire which we have shown to you before. So amazing what sizes of trucks Caterpillar can make. So this is the size of that truck. We are standing in front of that truck, and what I just came to know is this was the first Caterpillar truck which they made and $35 they used to charge for the for the cap on the head. So very interesting. And then they had first this kind of a color, brown, and then they changed it to this yellow, and finally they patented the final Caterpillar yellow, and that's a patented color, so no one can copy that.
The Sudan for the irrigation project, the Trans-Alaskan pipeline, the Acolita Dam between Paraguay and Argentina, the channel underneath the ocean between England and Paris. So you start off in London, in 38 minutes you arrive in Paris, under the ocean. That was the channel that Caterpillar built. The Three Gorges Dam in China. Power to Brazil. Brazil was having an issue with their power. We brought in all of those generators to provide clean, efficient energy. Osaka. They needed an airport, didn't have any land on which to build it. Caterpillar equipment built the island out in the ocean on which they placed the airport. Transvenia motorway in Romania, Jakur hydropower in Iceland, and we finished the expansion of the Panama Canal in 2017 using the Bucyrus steam shovel. We started it, building it with Bucyrus, and we finished the expansion, making it wider and deeper using Bucyrus.
Very interesting.
And Caterpillar purchased Bucyrus in 2010.
Okay, what is Bucyrus?
Okay, let's come around here. The steam shovel, right here.
Okay, this is Bucyrus.
Mm-hmm.
So this was not produced by Caterpillar. They
Not originally.
Not originally, right?
No. So when we built the Panama Canal originally, they used this steam shovel, and when we widened it, making it wider and deeper, we used it as well. But we now own it.
Okay, so someone created this. Bucyrus was another person.
Bucyrus
company.
Erie, yes.
Okay, and then
in Milwaukee was Holt and Best. These two guys were both inventors. One was a trained engineer, the other one was a sheer tinkerer. That was Holt. In 1906, he had this prototype that he was ready to put on the market.
okay,
He asked his photographer, Mr. Helmuth, to take a picture of it. Helmuth watched this tractor move across the ground and made the comment, "Doesn't that look like a monster caterpillar?" And when he said that, then Holt says, "That's it, we'll name it Caterpillar." So that's how we got the name.
amazing story.
Wow.
Nice.
Yes. So that was where we began, with both gentlemen vying for the product. So then, in 1909, Best decided to sell, and he sold to Holt. Holt moved to East Peoria. So we were Holt Caterpillar, 1909. And
Okay.
it was his nephew, Pliny Holt, and Murray Baker that brought Caterpillar here
In Peoria.
in Peoria. And the reason that they came here was location. One, we have the river. Two, we have the rail. Three, it was a great distribution place to be in the middle of the country to distribute product.
Correct.
And we had the people here to do the work. Okay. In 1927, if you would go to the movie theater, this would be the commercial that you would see. So the snow buggy is the cartoon character that they use. And the snow buggy was just known for devilment, getting in trouble. So, and this is taken in Minnesota where it snows a lot. So you see the major feature, and then you would see the snow buggy. And he loved to pull pranks. So the snow is just terrorizing everything. Because this is really how it snows in Minnesota.
Yeah.
This is true. Even today. But the one thing the snow buggy fears is the roar of the cat tractor. So the cat tractor comes along and the snow buggy runs away. Business as usual. Caterpillar made it happen.
Interesting.
But this was the very first commercial in 1927 that Caterpillar ever produced.
Shriya is getting very pissed off because she's feeling hungry now. But I'm enjoying this Caterpillar Center. This Rosemary was the name of the lady who explained this to us. Really powerful, like how Caterpillar was involved in the creation of lot of big machines and tunnels. So you can see a lot of big machines. We are still exploring this Caterpillar Center. There are 6 or 7 exhibits, and then there are machines which you can actually try. So let's visit some of these exhibits more. And if you find something interesting, we are definitely gonna show you. Cool, bye. They have got some demos, or models I should say, of the engines which they have created. So you can see how they have helped in the railway solutions, shipbuildings, for the gas turbine technology, oil and gas. So as I was saying, mostly a lot of things. Global electric power system. Amazing history of Caterpillar.